Tarea 4, producción oral. Curso Inglés A2. Tutora Libby Tatiana Lozano. When are you going to travel? I am going to travel on vacation in January next year. What city place are you going to visit? I will visit Chota Beach in Boyacá, Colombia. Where are you studying? I am going to study in a real hotel in Aquitania. What are you going to bring? I am going to bring a camping city and personal items. You are you are going to invite of that trip. I am going with my girlfriend. What activity will you do to the place? I am going to enjoy the landscape, take those tropical food, take photos, take a horse ride and enter water with boat. How much money will you spend free? It is estimated that he will spend 1,500,000. Will you bring in souvenirs from your vacation? Take photographs of the beautiful place.